Hi, sir. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyanka and I'm in Manali right now. So you can see the view behind me. So guys, I'm staying in Hotel Snow Peak. So it's near Hidimba Devi temple. The view of the valley is really beautiful over here. I'll just show you the view as well. So I highly recommend this hotel. So if you visit Manali, kindly stay here. So guys, this is the hotel that I'm living in. The hotel name is Snow Peak. It's near Hidimba temple that I told you. So this is the view from my hotel. Can you see the view? It's really mesmerizing and amazing.
Nice.
So this is my family and friends. My friend Ishita, my brother Om, my sister Mansi. So we are going to Mall Road right now. So it's a really nice hotel, you can see that. So that's the room where I'm living in. Right now I'm staying in those two rooms. So stay tuned. It's a bit cold in evening, so we are wearing our jackets right now. Actually, it's my mom's birthday week, so my mom's birthday is tomorrow. So we are here for her birthday week to celebrate it. And as I told you that we came here after 18 years. I'm really excited to explore Manali and the surrounding areas. So we are hiking towards Manali Road, like Mall Road. So I will just take you with me and I will show what all I'm doing over here. In this pink jacket, she is my mom. Mommy, say hi. So guys, we are near Hidimba Mandir. As I told you, our hotel is really near from our Hidimba Mandir. It's like 250 meters away from this temple. I hope you know the story of it. I'll visit Hidimba temple, I guess, tomorrow or day after. I'll tell you the story of Hidimba temple as well. So this is the Hidimba temple. Guys, this is Hidimba temple. Ah, yak. So this is the yak, as you know. So many childhood memories, I can say. So this is pine trees all over Hidimba temple. Hidimba temple, I guess, is over that area.
I'm hungry. Very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Like, what is special here?
Himachali.
Do you know?
Himachali seafood. Typical Himachali street food. Of course, I guess. That's Siddhu. Like Siddhu. Yes. Momos is Chinese or Tibetan, I guess.
What is Siddhu?
Siddhu is sort of momo type of dish, I guess. It's made of white bread only, like maida.
I have no idea about that. I will definitely try that.
Yeah, we will.
Yes.
I hope.
And more.
It's just one dish. I want to eat more. No, we will. And that's a typical Tibetan dish.
Okay.
I'm not getting that name here.
So you have tried that?
No, I haven't.
Okay. You have.
I want to try. Yeah, I want to try that. I was thinking to try it in Majnu Ka Tela in Delhi. So laughing, I guess. Yeah, laughing, I guess. It's a typical Tibetan dish. So guys, this is the Hidimba temple. So my parents went from auto rickshaw because my father was really tired because he was driving all day from Delhi to Manali. So we are hiking towards Mall Road. So I will just show you the surroundings over here. It's beautiful. You can see pretty young girls getting dressed in typical Himachali dress. So guys, this is Hidimba Devi temple. It's a beautiful temple in Manali. So right now it's not that cold, but eventually during the night it will. So for the safer side we have, Boral jackets. You will get more stories and updates on my Instagram channel. I'll just drop out my Instagram channel, Instagram name actually, on this video. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me as well. Hi sir! Very high! It's so beautiful out here, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even tell you. I absolutely love nature. I don't like, that noisy cities and that rush and crowded people. I don't like that. I really like nature. I'm a big nature lover. Actually my family is. Oh, photo. Yeah. Come. Om.
Om. Do the needful.
Famous Johnson Cafe and Hotel. So we'll come over here. My workout is done for today. Yes. Mine too. Wildlife Information Center for Manali. Wildlife. I'm really fond of wildlife. If you don't know me, I'm a crazy wildlife lover. Guys, can you see the rush over here? I thought there will be less crowd, specifically in weekdays, but it's a hype over here, especially during the COVID times. Oh my gosh. I know I'm also here during COVID, but we are taking all the precautions. Yeah, me too. लग रही है खाते हैं कुछ. So most of the people are not wearing masks. I don't know why. They are not taking the precautions. But we are totally. So you can see a lot of rush over here in the south corner. So we are here. See. guys,
What do you want?
that this thing, this is a Siddu. It's called Siddu. We're preparing Siddu right now. The cost for one plate of Siddu is 80 rupees. How's the taste? And then we'll order accordingly. How are you? Guys, this is really nice. It's nice. So the bread is, it's not like a regular bread, like momo. It's really thick. And the filling is really good. I don't know what's the filling. I think it's Nutella chap. It's a veg dish, but it's really nice. The chutney is spicy. It's really hot, but it's really nice. Do try. Guys, this is the Ma Durga Devi Mandir over here in Maldives. So this is the mall road. There are really good cafes over here. This is noodles. Noodles? No, actually. Yeah, noodles. It's a good cafe, good design. It's a design like, I guess, picture. Good cafes over here. Taxi stand for, exploring nearby areas like Gopam Pass, Solang Valley, because our own vehicles, we can't, take them over there because the roads are really dangerous and really steep and the height is really high. I really like this cafe. I'm a designer, interior designer basically. So the interiors and things are really nice at this cafe. I'll visit this, I think, tomorrow or day after. Hello, Mama. Hi, Papa. Hello, say hi. Craft Emporium because I'm really fond of craft. Famous cafe or restaurant over here. It's called Chopstick. They have very good food over here. You can see the rush here as well. Momos over here really good. Really, really good. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Oh god. So guys, this place is so crowded. Overcrowded actually. I really want to go back to my hotel. So we are just, receiving a parcel from the restaurant because there's a lot of rush and the waiting line as well. So we are going back to our hotel in a while.